So I will going to cook all dinner by Dinnerly. So today we are going to cook a golden crumb pork steak. So ito guys, I will show you. I have the ingredients here. So here guys, so for tonight I will cook our dinner. So here, golden crumb pork steak with tomato, relish, and salad leaves. So 25 minutes and for 2 servings. So ayan siya guys. Ayan ang ating achieve for tonight's dinner. So here, I have 1 tomato, 1 egg, 1 panko breadcrumbs. Yeah. And I have the country seasoning. I have the pork loin steaks. Ayan, dalawa yan guys, pork loin. Ayan, and 1 onion. I got the mixed salad, 50 grams of mixed salad leaves, and a brown sugar na matigas. So, ayan yung mga kailangan natin for tonight guys. Plus the Italian red wine vinegar. So, ayan guys. Ayan ang ating bulaga. So, ayan ang ating ingredients for tonight. Yung mga sangka for tonight. So, tayo na at magkukuking show na si InDaynaMo again. So, that's our dinner for tonight, guys, with Jack. So, what are we waiting for? Happy cooking! Okay guys, so let's get started cooking our late dinner for tonight. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ako guys, kaya tara na! Ayan guys, so I have the ingredients here as you see. Ayan, nandiyan. Okay ba kayo dyan guys? As I told you earlier, yung mga need natin, what they sent to us and what we need. Yeah, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon of olive oil, tablespoon of red wine or white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So first step, there's a 5 step here guys. The last is kitchen 101. It's another tips. So the first one, crumb pork with a 1 egg in a swallow bowl. First step, crumb pork with a 1 egg in a swallow bowl. Put the country seasoning and breadcrumbs in separate shallow bowl. Dust the pork with the seasoning. Shake off the excess, then dip in the egg and coat in the breadcrumbs. So, second step guys, thin slice the onion. Cut the tomato into 2 cm chunks. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Cook the onion and tomato, stirring regularly for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. The third one, shimmer relish. Stir 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 2 tablespoon water into the tomato mixture. Bring it to simmer. Then reduce the heat to low and cook. Simmer occasionally for 5 minutes or until thickening and slightly sticky. Remove the fan from the heat. Taste the season with salt and vinegar. The fourth step, pan fry pork. Meanwhile, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil into a medium frying pan over medium heat. Cook the pork for 3 minutes each side until golden and cooked through. Remove from the pan and the rest for 4 minutes. The last, dress salad and serve up. Combine 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar in a large bowl and season with salt and vinegar. Add the salad leaves and toss to the coat. Decide the crumbled pork, dish, and salad among plates and enjoy! So, ayan yung mga steps natin. We have 5 steps. So, ready na ba kayo guys? Ready na ako. Pisa na natin to. Okay guys. So, ayan. So, now we will get the bowl. We have the bowl here, guys. We will separate it. So, ayan. we put the crumb there. Yan yung crumb. So, ito. Yung put in the separate bowl. The panko breadcrumbs, guys. Ayan. So, we will separate it. And then, we will mix a egg. So, here. So, ayan. We have the egg here. Ayan yung egg. Kita ba ako? Okay, whisk the egg. So, ayan, we will whisk the egg, guys. So, ayan, we will whisk the egg, guys. Okay, so we will get the plate, guys. Ayan. We will get the plate. So, this is the, pork loin steaks. So, this is the pork loin steaks, guys. Ayan. So, we need to cut it. Then we get the tissue, guys. So, tissue first. Kasi para lumambot siya. Kasi diba matigas kasi lutuin ang mga pork, guys. Kaysa sa chicken. Chicken is very easy to cook than pork. Kung napapansin nyo siya. So, now, I'll put in the seasoning here. So, they said put the seasoning there, which is the country seasoning. So, I'm using a country seasoning, guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan siya. So, it's a seasoning. So, we whisk the egg. So, this is the egg. Nakikita nyo kanina. Ayan. So, I have this one here. I have the breadcrumbs over here. And I have the egg that I whisking. So, I have the seasoning over here. So, sa seasoning sabi, lagyan daw nito, guys. Tapos, i-coat natin. And then, so, ayan. Ilagay po na natin yan dito, guys. So, after that, start relish. So, tin the onion slicey, guys. Ayan yung onion. So, I'm doing it to slice the onion here. So, I will set aside first the pork, guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung onion. Ayan yung onion, guys. I will slice this in thinly. Kasi yun sabi ni Dinnerly. Dinnerly? Sabi ni Dinnerly talaga, host. Very sharp my knife. So, after that one, guys, heat the 1 tablespoon of onion in a small. Yan. Cut the tomato, guys. Ito yung tomato. Guys, so we need to reheat this one. I open the stove. Teaspoon. So, ayan, 1 teaspoon, guys, of olive oil. So, this is the olive oil. So, now we will put 1 teaspoon. And then, meanwhile, guys, we will need to fry the pork. So, you are going to fry the pork, guys. So, ayan, we will fry the pork to 1 tablespoon. 1.5. So, we will cook the, while we are waiting on this one, we will cook this one, guys. 1.5. Ayan. 1.5 siya, guys. 1.5. So, 1.5 na yun, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, kukukin ko na yung pork kasi habang ini-wait natin yung isa. Diba? Ilalagay na natin yung tomato. So, ayan siya, guys. While we are waiting there. Now, I'm just putting this one. First go to this one. So, I dip in with the, diba, remember? So, I put this one there. Yan. Diba? So, very nice. Diba? So, while we're waiting this one, guys, ayan. So, we will put there. Ay! Tomato sauce. So, we put the tomato sauce. Low heat muna tayo. Then we will wait this one. We will wait for that one and then we will get the pork. Ayan. We get the pork, guys. Then remember this one now. I will put na daw here. So ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na siya. Para sabay silang malutong dalawa. And then after that one, we wait that one, guys. Now we are going here again, the other pork. And then we dip here. So we dip it properly. Ayan. Para lasang-lasa ba. O, diba? Kasi nga coating. Kailangan may coating yan, guys. O, yan. Pasok natin yung dyan. Kailangan may coating sila. Pagay natin dyan. So, ayan na, guys. So, habang we waiting na, ayan, ang ating so, we wait that one, guys. Ayan. So, okay lang siya. Ayan, still there. Then this one, still waiting that one. Ayan. So, here, guys, we will put 1 tablespoon of red vinegar, 1 tablespoon. So this one, red vinegar, guys. Ayan. 1 ba? Yes, 1. And then 1 sugar. And then 1 sugar, guys. Sugar. And then 1 sugar. 1 sugar. Matigas na sugar. Belly kasi. So, pani. And then we will stir it. Okay. Then after we stir it, guys. Ayan. We stir it. And then 1 tablespoon of tubig. Tubig, guys. Pinasok ko na din yung isa natin pork chop, yung kanina minarinig. Tapos sabi nila is until 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, guys, so now we are going to do the salad first. The salad, guys. This thing need to wash. Sister said it's okay. No need to wash. And then put a 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil again. Teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon and then 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Jax. Ilagay natin na kay Jax. Wala. Limutan ko. Ayan o. Gilid. My gosh. Okay guys, ayan na ang ating pagkain. Golden crumbed steaks. Ayan na guys, ayan na ang ating pagkain. Ganyan pala. Hello guys! Jax.
Yes, me.
Jax gutom. Jax, have a drink.
I do. Good work.
Wala
It's gonna
naman.
get more than me.
Huh? Give you this. Because you're the man. So, that's it guys. That's our golden crumbed for tonight's dinner. I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed my cooking show. My cooking show, InDaynaMo's cooking show. How was it, Jack?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yes, sarap dito.
Sarap.
Yes. Masarap.
So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, both Talamus and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video and please comment down below if you like this video po and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe and mwah! Ciao la! Close.